Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all for the General Intelligence and Reasoning Part 2. Come on, guys, join the session fast. Join as early as possible so that we can start with the session. Be quick, guys, everybody. Be quick, quick. Come on, guys, join the session fast so that we can start quickly as early as possible. Okay. So now one more thing before we move further. I'll discuss quickly some of the things and then we'll proceed quickly. Okay. So firstly, part 2 you have to go through. Okay. Fine. So now let's start with the session. I hope you guys are ready for it. So now let's start quickly. I'll also join the session. Fine. Okay. So now let's start, guys, quickly. First of all, welcome you all to your very own faculty driven institute, Resultant. Apart from that, guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it with your friends. And if you don't know about me, then you can go through my profile as well. Guys, we are having RRB JE 2024. You know, n number of vacancies, more than 3,000 vacancies has been there this year. So here are the faculties with you. You guys can check it out. Apart from that, guys, we have the batches, paid batches going on for RRB JE CBT 1, that is focus batch, which is starting from today, that is 8th of August. MRP price is 4,999 right now. Since it is an offer going on, it is available for you 2,499. RRB JE CBT2 AIM batches, their MRP is 5,999. Since it's right now, the offer price is 3,999. Talking about RRB JE CBT1 and CBT2, the price is 9,999, but since now the offer price is 5,499. For more updates and queries, you can download the Resultant app from the Play Stores. And apart from that, guys, you guys can check it out here. You will be getting previous year's question solution quiz. You will be getting test series and doubt sessions will be there, both for technical and non-technical. So non-technical will be 200 hours, technical will be 400 hours, and your tech and non-tech will be 600 hours. Okay, so these are the number of hours the classes will be there. Now let's start with the session without any delay. So today class I have kept questions from the mirror images one, paper cutting and folding, arithmetical reasoning, puzzles, inequalities, missing numbers. So these are the topics from which this today we have kept the questions. So let's start with the session. You guys told me that to keep it at 10 a.m. So now let's start. Okay. When the petrol prices increased by 25%, Yogesh reduced his travel so as to keep his monthly expenses on petrol the same as earlier. By what percent did Yogesh reduce his travel? Come on, guys. Prices increased, so he's reduced his distance basically, because reduce his travel means what? He wherever possible he's not using his bike or any mode of transport which will use petrol. So how much percentage he has reduced his travel? Who? Yogesh. Oh my god. Just the answer and you got it. Great, not bad. Anybody else? Anybody else? While the answer which you have given is not 20% is correct, 25% is wrong. How you did it? If the petrol price, let us suppose initially the petrol price was how much? Initially petrol price was rupees 100. Now increased by 25%. 25% of 100 is 25 rupees. So new price will be 100 plus 25, that is 125 rupees. Now by what percent did Yogesh reduce his travel? How much percentage reduced his travel so that he has to not pay extra expenses on the petrol? How much, guys? 20, then okay, fine. Ajmira has now corrected it. So how much it will be? New minus initial divided by new into 100. So 25 divided by 125 into 100. How much it is coming? 25 ones are 25 fives are. Correct? After this 5 ones are 20%. I have done this type of question. Today is Thursday. Tuesday's class also I have done it. So whenever it was regarding something related to this only, I'm not getting. It was also that oil prices has decreased. So how much the percentage of consumption has to be increased. So whenever such question comes, generally we do initial minus, basically final minus initial or initial minus final, but we divide it by the initial value. But whenever such sort of question comes, reduced his expenses or increased, in that case we talk with respect to the new price. So that's the mistake. If you do it by 100, that time you'll get a different answer. Clear? So 20% is the correct one. Okay. Now, next question. In a class, there are 48 boys who are over 150 centimeter tall. If this contributes 4/5 of the boys and the total number of boys is 3/4 of the total number of students in the class, what is the number of girls in the class? Now here a lot of things are given to you for confusing. Come on, answer it quickly. Quick, quick, quick. 48 boys who are 150 centimeter, 157 centimeter. I'll give you a minute, then I'll solve it. Come on, quick. Easy question, provided if you're able to solve it. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. See, in a class there are 48 boys whose height is greater than 150 centimeter, and these 48 boys contributes to 4/5 of the total boys. So let the total number of boys be x. So this contributes to 4/5 of the boys. So from here the number of boys will come how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 12, 5 is 60. So 60 is the total number of boys. Now it is telling you the total number of boys is 3/4 of the number of students in the class. So let us suppose the total number of students in the class, total number of students in the class is y. Okay, so what it is telling you, the total number of boys, that means 60 is equal to 3/4 of the total number of students in the class. So from here, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. From here, the total number of students are 80. Out of that, 60 are the boys. So how many girls will be there? 80 minus 60, 20. Not even 1 minute question. Not even 1 minute question. It is not asking you the total number of boys, beta. It is asking you the number of girls in the class. Okay, I guess in a hurry you are making mistakes. It is asking you the total number of girls in the class. So girls in the class is 20. Total number of students is 80. Boys in the class is 60. Come on. Question number 3. A stationery vendor buys pencil at the rate of 21 pencils for rupees 20 and sells them at the rate of 20 pencils for rupees 21. His profit percentage. How much is his profit percentage? Come on, easy question. Got it? Okay. Come on, now this one. Basic question. Profit percentage is calculated with respect to cost price. आप profit percentage cost price में calculate करते हो. Profit percentage क्या होता है in case if you don't know? Profit percentage is selling price minus cost price. This is the profit, but it is asking you profit percentage. So percentage profit or percentage loss is calculated with respect to the cost price into 100. How much it is coming? Let's, very good, Anand. 10%. Now let's check it out. A stationery vendor buys pencil at the rate of 21 pencils for rupees 20. So cost price of 21 pencils is 20 rupees and sells them at a rate of 20 pencils for rupees 21. So selling price of 20 pencils is 21 rupees. So what will be the selling price of one pencil? 21 by 20 rupees. What will be the selling price of 21 pencils? This will be 21 into 21 by 20. This will be the selling price of 21 pencils. So profit will be, profit percentage, selling price of 21 pencil is 21 into 21 by 20 minus cost price of 21 pencil is 20 divided by cost price into 100. Solve it and tell me how much it is coming. How much it will come? This will come 1.05 minus 20 divided by 20 into 100. So from here you will get how much? 10%. 10% approximately it is coming 10.25, but 10% is the profit percentage because it is not given 10.25 in the question. Correct? So always remember, whether it is profit percent or whether it is your loss percentage, it is calculated with respect to the cost price. Pehli baat. And when you are comparing, when you will compare cost price of 21 pencils, you will take selling price of 21 pencils. You cannot do cost price of 21 pencils and selling price of 20 pencils. You have to keep the base same. Okay, since I was knowing the cost price of 21 pencils, that's why I've calculated the selling price of 21 pencils. Okay, now question number 4. Now this is a question from your arithmetic progression. Come on. Which term of the series is its first negative term? कौन सा series का term होगा जो सबसे पहले negative आएगा? आप देख सकते, you can see that it is decreasing. So which term is the first negative term, guys? Come on. Which term is the first negative term? This will check your basics of arithmetic progression. Come on. If you remember arithmetic progression, it was a plus n minus 1 into d, right? A is your first term, D is the difference. So if you check out the difference, it is coming 188 minus 195. Anybody got the answer? Nobody got the answer. So how much it is coming? The common difference. Or 181 minus 188. The common difference is minus 7. The first term which you are getting is 195. The common difference is minus 7. No, this one is common difference. I have to keep it. Minus 7. Okay. And the first negative term. Negative means its value is what? Less than 0. Negative means what? The value is less than 0. Solve it. That's it. Nothing was there in this question. Basic question. If they ask you first negative term, calculate the first term, calculate the common difference. Negative means less than 0. From here you will get that number of term which will give you the first negative term. Come on, solve it. 195 minus 7n plus 7 is less than 0. 7 plus 5, 12, 10, 202, 7n. Solve it, how much you are getting? 7 to the 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How much it is coming? How much is coming? N value is coming less than 29. So n value is coming less than 29. So which will be the first negative term? 29. 29th term will be the first negative term. So you have to do like this. You have to do like this. Okay. Approximately 28 point something, 29. Okay. So this will be your first negative term. Clear? Simple question. Okay. And now let's move towards, these were the four questions of your arithmetical reasoning. Now we will be moving to the question of paper cutting. Come on, now these are comparatively easy. You guys can answer me. Now I don't think now you will need other doubt for this to solve it practically. You have to do it in your mind. Come on, tell me now. The sequence of folding a piece of paper. This is given to you first, clubbed it into half, then one fourth, and they have done this design. Cut it the paper into shapes of hexagon, triangle, and also when you will unfold it, what shape you will get? What shape you will get? Come on. Very good, Vishnu. Vishnu is late. Why? Okay. Others? I'm waiting for others also to answer. Correct. It is A. 18 minutes late. Yesterday you were half an hour late. Today 18 minutes. I guess tomorrow you will come on time. Correct. It is A. Logic. Logic here. Check it out. When you will unfold it, this will go here. This will go here. Similarly, this side, if it is there, this will go here. This will go here. Okay, this is hexagon will go this side. Okay, they will be opposite. So if this is pointing towards, this will also point towards, but in the opposite directions. Okay, afterwards, the one which is near, it will remain near. This will, the one which is near will remain near. The one which is near will remain near. That logic is being done. Okay, and the one which is far, when you will unfold it, that will go far direction only. Clear? So this is the one, and the orientation will remain same. Means first this, then this, then this. And here they have changed the orientation, which is wrong. Okay. Now, question number 6. This type of designing, we used to do it in school functions and all with crepe paper. If you remember your childhood. Boys never used to do. Generally, girls only used to do. Hmm. I'm thinking in this, they have to crop it also. Just check it once. Everybody is getting different answers. Everybody is getting different answer. A, B, A, B. I'm just having some doubt regarding the question. Just give me a second. I'll just check the question once. Um, doubt. Paper folding, cutting. Fine. Correct. Correct. Okay. That was the next question. That's what I was thinking. Okay. Fine. So what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question, guys? C. C. Final. Final is C. Okay. Everybody is saying C now. How come C? How come C? How come C, guys? I just want to ask, how come C? Okay, the answer will be either C or B, but how come C, that I'm asking you? Or how come B? You guys are so much confident, then I'm asking you, what? How come C or how come B? See, here if you talk it about paper has been cut, it has to be unfolded. So here if you check it out, how can you get the same shapes everywhere? Means one side you will get it circular in nature and one side you will get like this square with the orientation being different. So here you will get B as the correct answer. You will get B as the correct answer. Correct. Correct. Okay. Now similarly, but the slight variation. Question number 7. Paper cutting. Here when you will check it out. Here this. So what shape you will get? It is folded, so when it will unfold, check out first what you will get it in the center. B is perfect answer. Yeah, it is perfect because when they will go, here you will find circle. Yes, here you will find circle. Here center you will find the circle. So firstly, or kinare, you will get these shapes. Okay, this one. I told you the answer indirectly for this one. Center circle missed. Okay, now this one. Indirectly I told you the answer. Now this will become a simple one. Very good. It's and Devanshu has answered correctly. Good, 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 good. Okay. So firstly, since cut from, I'll use different color pen. Wait. Cut from this side, cut from this side, cut from this side, cut from this side, it will form a circle. So A and B is gone. So now remaining one is the D and C one. So if you check it out, the cut is slightly larger, or you can say the arc is slightly larger, so it will form a circular nature. Secondly, if you check it out here, you will be getting what, when you will unfold it in the centers, you will be getting triangle. Okay, but here they have made it like a semicircle, which is incorrect. So D is the correct one. Okay, fine. Now, moving to the next question. Question number 8. Answer. This arrows one, the one which is near, just when you unfold it, it will remain near only. All options appear similar. Kindly see it properly and then answer. Kindly write the question number when you answer so that it becomes easy for me to detect. Which question you are answering, kindly write the question number as well. Eighth, it is not D. First, whenever such question comes, logic is बाजू वाले को पहले बना के देखो. The one which is adjacent to it, first draw this. So it will be like this. It will be also down. It will be also like this. And this will be also like this. Okay, now it becomes easier. Very good, very good. Anant, Divyanshu, it's A. Okay, now how I told you logic is first draw the one which is the adjacent one which you have drawn. Now you will unfold it. So I told you the one which is near, it will be remaining near only. The logic of mirror image one goes here also. So when you will unfold it, the one which is far, this will go at the far, same. Copy paste exactly, this line will appear same but at the end. Check out. Exactly this line will appear same but at the end. This second line will appear same but here. Okay, so these two will be same. This two will be exactly the same. So that is what is done. So this type of questions, when they fold it to 1/4, kindly draw the figure adjacent one. Then the first line and the last line are same. Second line and the third line are same. That logic you have to apply. Question number, last question. Question number 9. Now every time they were folding 1/4, now they have done a triangular fold. They have done it. Come on. They have done a triangular fold. D is incorrect. Check, down, down. They both are same options only, or what? Both are, they have drawn same only. Both they have drawn same only. They both are same only. They have, there's no change in the options. They have to slightly change it. Both are same, coming same only. No. This is incorrect, na? This is incorrect. When you will fold it, just check it out. This is incorrect. I think my power has increased. This. When you unfold it, this will go here, na? This will go in the top direction. When you will unfold it, this will go like this, na? ऊपर की तरफ उठ जाएगा. This will go opposite direction. So this will go in the opposite direction. Okay, so that will happen. Orientation will change. Okay, first and fourth and if as the second and third is same, same means not the direction. It means the orientation will change. If one is pointing downwards, then the other will point towards the upward direction. Okay, orientation will change. Different. Oh, this is different. This is different. It was appearing same. Orientation will change. That's for sure. If one is pointing downwards, when you will open it, other will point in the upward direction. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9, guys. Now this is folded in the triangle shape. Now this will require your brain. This is not an easy one. You could do at home also and check it out. Imagine karo आधा 1/4. I'm having a page. Ninth C is wrong. Ajmeera, Divyanshu, Anuranjan and Anant has answered it correctly. Like this they have done it. So when you will, like if any figure, like this it is there. If anything you are marking it here, when you will open, now I have to cut it also. I haven't cut it. जब इसको open करोगे, so this will go at the end. ऐसे open करोगे, so this will, if it is like this, when you will open it, it will become straight. Okay, it will become straight. तो पहली बात है, like this if it is there, so when you will cut it, it will become straight. ऐसे हो जाएगा. It will be a vertical one. Okay, so it will, I have to cut it, but I haven't cut it. But if you'll cut it, you will check it out that if it is like this shape, I guess it is visible. So when you will open it, it will become what? When you will open it, it will become what? It will become vertical. So technically, first of all, this one and this one will get cancelled out because it will become vertical. So either it will be B or it will be D. Okay, now coming to the next thing, what will happen if this a square is made? It will be adjacent, the square will be there. Adjacent square. Here adjacent square is not there. Okay, apart from that, circle here, opposite, it will go in the opposite direction, circle. Small square here, on the opposites it will go a small circle, small square. Okay, so this is the logic which is being done. Now I visualize it correct. Yeah, so it's like this. Now when you will open it, it will become like this one. My actually I have to do the cutting now, but I haven't done the cutting. I've just drawn the diagram and shown it to you. Now I'll keep the scissor also with you. But I guess you have visualized it. What I wanted to say, now have you visualized it? When I'll cut it and I'll open it, so दूसरे side से it will become like this, vertical. Clear? Now, questions from missing numbers. Question number 10 to question number 14 missing number questions. Come on, guys. Quick. In the examination, to be on the safer side, before the paper starts, right in the plain papers they give you now for CBT computer test, they don't tell you to do anything, but you write ABCD and give the numbering also 1 2 3 4 in the 1 to 26 alphabets and the reverse alphabets, so that it will save your time. I used to do this. Come on. Very good, Anuranjan. Very good. Very good. Okay. Logic. Logic which you are getting here. B to G. C, D, E, F, G. Plus 5. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Plus 7. Okay. Similar logic you will apply. Others, nobody has got the answer. Okay. D to J. E, F, G, H, I, J. Plus 6. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Plus 8. Now similarly, if I go by this logic, G plus 7 should be N and N plus 9 should be L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So this will be W. Correct? Correct, everybody. Good, Surya. Good, Vishnu. Okay? Now, so this is the one type of question. Now this question. First row is 68 lakhs 56,044. Second row is 245, 233, 221. Third row is 97, 85. What will be the third one? Come on. Come on. Which one you are telling? G plus W? G plus W 30. अच्छा इसको पहले देख. Correct. Correct. Correct, Anuranjan. What is the logic which is followed? First number plus third number divided by 2 is equal to second number. So 68 plus 44 divided by 2 is 56. Check it out. 245 plus 221 divided by 2, it will come 233. Similar logic which I don't know the value of the third number. 97 plus x by 2 is equal to 85. So 97 plus x is equal to 8 5 2s are 10. 8 2s are 16 plus 117. 170 minus 97, that is 70. Okay. Now question number 12. Complete the series by filling the blanks. Come on. Fill in the blanks. Twelve difference. 12 difference. 12 difference. That logic is also valid here. Correct. Correct. Difference of 12 is also valid. Very good. Now this one. Correct, correct. That's correct. Difference of 12 also correct. Come on, guys. I guess this is not a simple one. If we'll do it also, this will require a slight brain. Come on, everyone. Quick. Nobody? $254. Very good. Very good. Logic. First number square 9 square plus 8 square plus the addition of 9 plus 8. 9 nines are 81, 8 plus 8 64, 9 plus 8 17. Do it from here. You will get it what? You will get it as how much you are getting from here? 17 plus 81 plus 64. How much you will get it from here? You will get it from here 162. Similarly, 11 square plus 6 square plus 11 plus 6. From here you will get 174. Similar logic can apply here. 8 square plus 13 square plus 8 plus 13. 8 8 is 64. 13 square is 169. 21. So from here you will get 250. Correct? Sum of powers and sum of both numbers. Correct. Okay. Now, question number 13. This pattern of questions are nowadays are becoming very popular. Come on. The one questions which they used to ask is 4-5 years back. Now you have to change the trend because they can ask you the latest one. Now answer. The circle one. Quick. Good morning, Puneet. Answer quickly. This week, let the three part get over general intelligence reasoning part 3 also on Saturday. Then I'll share the PDF all of these three in my Telegram group, Civil by Richa Gupta. If you haven't joined, you can join it. And what thing I wanted to tell you some one more thing. I forgot it. Okay, answer till then. Huh. I'll ask you one thing related to quant aptitude. Remind me at the end when the classes will get over to ask you something related to quantitative aptitude. Come on, solve it. Logic? Nobody? Come on, Divyanshu, Anant, Anuranjan, Vishnu, others. Quick, quick, quick. 10th, नहीं 10th नहीं तो पीछे चल रहा है 49. Anybody else? This is correct. 49. Logic. This three like 12 plus 25 plus 31 minus 17 will give you 51. So these three plus it and subtract it from the one which is on the extreme right. 23 plus 37 plus 19 minus 21 will give you the number which is inside. Similar logic you will go here. 22 plus 39 plus 15 minus 27. This will give you how much? 49. Is it coming this one? Correct, correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, 49. Good. Question number 14. Last question, then we'll move to the next topic. Study the pattern and the one that is missing. Now this will also require your brain. This is not an easy one. Quick, quick, quick. I'll give you a hint. Here you have to do something related with multiplication and division. Then only you'll get it. And you'll think why first is 63, here is 63, so the middle one will be also 63. Don't go by that logic. Last 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Nobody? Check it out. The logic I have written, just check it out. Come on, nobody answered. Nobody answered. Check it out. First number into 2, that is 23 into 2 plus third number 34 divided by 2. So this will be 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 divided by 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So from here check it out. This is plus. So 6 plus 6 12 1 13 63. Similarly this one also you can check it out. 27 into 2 plus 18 divided by 2. From here also you will get how much? 63. Now here if I'll check it out, 31 into 2 plus 28 divided by 2. This will be 14. 2, 3, 2 is 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 76 will be your answer. Got the logic? Okay. Question number 15. Now mirror images, water images question. Now solve it. The mirror is kept here. Now what are the water image? What will be the water image which will be coming? Come on. Now got it. Okay. Now this water image question. Here orientation will change. Correct. Vishnu, Anuranjan, Puneet, Devanshu. Everybody has told it correctly. 15th it is A. Logic here, what will be the logic here? Obviously, when you're checking out the water image, first the orientation will change. Here, if you were getting, here if you check it out, the orientation will change in a way. Here it was pointing downward directions, it will be the one which will be pointing downwards. Circle which is there, you'll get the circle shaded small one, and the circle bigger shaded you'll get it here. But see, this was here, this is here. Here orientation circle, whatever you do, the orientation will remain same. Top, bottom, anywhere it will remain circle. If square is there, a square also orientation will change if it is moved in the, you can say, with the diagonal being horizontal like this diamond shape, then the orientation can change. Here what will happen? Nothing will happen if it is a square like this kept. Okay, triangle, the orientation will change. It will be pointing downwards direction. Small triangle will be pointing in upwards direction, and the circle will be the upward direction. So A will be the correct answer. Now question number 16. Mirror. Mirror is placed on the line AB. Come on. When it is placed like this, the orientation changes. When it is placed like on the x-axis, you can say. When it is placed on the ordinates, what happens is the near one becomes near, the farther ones becomes farther. But here when it is placed like this, whether it is a mirror, whether it is a water image, the orientation also changes. What will be the answer for the 16th question? The orientation becomes opposite. Yeah, I'll make this week. I'll be having a Puneet, Tuesday to Saturday. You will find every day to me on YouTube. TTS, that is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I'll be taking aptitude, and Wednesday and Friday I take technical classes. Okay, this week I have deal with environment. Then next week we will be dealing with RCC. So it goes like this. But Tuesday to Saturday you can come every day on my channel. This channel you'll find me at 10 a.m. here. Correct. Very good, everyone. It is A. I told you when it is kept along the x-axis, orientation will change. If it is pointing like this, it will point downwards. It will remain as it is. Then circle will remain as it is. My triangle is distorted. Okay. Now here what you will find, here the orientation, this was in downward direction. This will become in upward direction. Pentagon. After this, this was in upward direction. This will become in downward direction. Orientation will change. So A will be the correct answer. Now. Question number 70. Now it is placed along the y-axis. The logic, the near one will become nearer, the farther one will remain farther. Check it out, all the diagrams appear same. Remind me at the end, guys. I have to ask you guys regarding something related to quantitative aptitude. Quickly solve. I'm doing 17th. Correct. We'll discuss Vishnu at the end. 17th day. I'm doing chapter wise. I have taken, you are saying me for environment, I have taken chapter wise. I have taken in the previous class, if you check it out beta, I have taken water demand, quality of water, and treatment of water. Now, since treatment of water is a bigger subject, I will take it tomorrow also. So, when tomorrow the class will be there, I'll be taking again treatment of water and distribution and conveyance system. So, I'm taking it I'm taking in the manner of chapter wise. Okay, because water demand and all, you don't get much question. So you tell me that to take ma'am 1 hour class, then it will become difficult, na? In that perspective. The nearer one will be nearer, the farther one will remain farther. Orientation will remain as it is. It's not like they will just rotate by 180 degrees, 90 degrees. No, it will be just the same. Okay, the only thing is here when you place it along the y-axis, the mirror nearer, farther, farther. When you place it along x-axis, the orientation also changes. Okay, 18th question. This is the what mirror image one. Come on. Here slight confusion can be there. Check it out. Correct. Correct, everyone. Correct. D. Logic. The one which is far, far. The one which is near, near. The one which is near, the side near. Okay. D. Question number 19. Which option represents the water image of the given figure? Water image. If it is not mentioning you and it is asking you, that means water image, it is saying definitely the mirror is kept like this only. You can water image, not mirror, but yeah, for your reference purpose, you'll say whether x axis or y axis. If it is water image, it means like this only. If it is not mentioning, then also. Come on. Orientation will change upside down. D will not be the correct one because that's going somewhere else. Others are upside down. Now check out the shadings and all. 19th question. Correct. Firstly, I told you orientation changes. ये जो ऊपर है, this will be going, apex will be going in the downward direction. So three options are there. A, if you will talk it out, talk it about, this will also go in opposite. It is not going. B is incorrect. Then shading will remain in that direction only. Orientation change. The shading is that will remain in this direction. Shaded on the left, right side. Shaded on the right side. Okay, circles everything on that same direction. So A will be the correct one. Now, questions from inequalities. Come on. Now we have the last questions, last 5 questions from inequalities. Solve it. Y is less than equal to Q, Q is less than R, R is equal to P, P is greater than equal to Z. Come on, quick. Quick. This is an easy one. You guys can solve it. Very good. Very good, Vishnu. Very good. Okay, correct. Now let's check it out. First part, y is less than equal to q, q is less than r is equal to p. Check it out. Y is less than q, q is less than r, or instead of r you can write p also. So that means y will be less than p. And if y is less than p, then obviously opposite also you can say p is greater than y. Both the statements are correct. Okay, so both the statements, that means y less than p or p greater than y, both means correct. So first is correct. Second, q is greater than equal to p. Now if you check it out here, from here you will see q is less than r and r is equal to p. So obviously q is less than p also, and here it is written greater than equal to. So this will be wrong. Okay, so first conclusion is only true. Question number 21. Solve. Two different answers. Two different answers. How come? Z is less than R. First, I have to talk about Q and Z. Okay. Z is less than R. R is equal to W. W is greater than P. And P is equal to Q. So instead of Z is less than R, greater than Q. So obviously Z is less than R. R is greater than Q. So how can you say Z is less than R? Okay, and R is greater than Q. But how can you say the relation between Q and Z? You cannot compute the relationship between Q and Z. You cannot say. Wrong. First statement is wrong. So who said 21A? No, okay, fine. C is not correct. Nobody said C, na? Nobody said C. R is greater than T. R is equal to W. So instead of W, you can take R. R is greater than P. P is greater than T. So obviously R will be greater than T. If equal to sign would have been there, then there could have been a ambiguity. But right now R is greater than T. This is correct. So only conclusion 2 is true. Okay. Now, question number 22. Solve this. Question number 22. Come on, guys. 22B. Correct. Correct. Now check it out. P is less than Q, Q is less than equal to W, W is equal to R is less than equal to Y, but R is greater than equal to M also. So P is greater than M. तो कोई logic ही नहीं बन रहा. P is less than Q, Q is less than W, or you can use R also in place of that, and R is greater than M. So if R is greater than M, is it making any sense? If R is greater than M, P is Q, Q इसको मैं R ले लेती हूँ, and R is greater than M. So we cannot say about Q. Not clear. Okay, not clear. Provided no clear relationship is maintained between P and M. So first conclusion is wrong. Okay. Q is less than W, W and is equal to R, R is less than. If less than or greater than is there, it becomes very, very clear. So Q is obviously less than equal to Y, because check it out. Here also less than equal to is there. Here also less than equal to is there. So Q is less than equal to Y, or opposite also you can say Y is greater than equal to Q. So conclusion 2 is true. Okay. Now, last two questions from inequalities. I have kept five questions from each topic. Last two questions. Now this one. Quick. If any relation is not definitely defined, then if let us suppose in the question, if it was showing you example, if it is showing you y greater than q, but in the options it is given y greater than equal to q, but in the relations you can only say y greater than q, you cannot comment on equal to q, then also you will ignore it, you will say that conclusion is not true. So even equal to matters. Okay, so when any relationship is not properly defined, no clear relation, it may be true, it may not be true, or if it is only greater, it is not equal, but in conclusion it is showing equal also as correct, then you will take it that no, that conclusion will not follow. Clear? Okay. Next. Correct. Correct, Vishnu. So, L is equal to M, M is greater than N. So obviously L will be greater than N. You can go by this logic. Correct. Now N is less than P. So N is less than P, means P is greater, and N is less than P. P is greater than Q. But you cannot compute about anything. N is less than Q. Can you compute? Yes or no? Can you compute? No. No. Nobody. Correct. Correct, everyone. So you cannot compute a clear relationship because one is coming less, one is coming greater, and here equal to is also written. So you cannot compute on that. So this one is not, only conclusion one is true. Last question, 24th. Read the statement and answer it. Come on. Come on, guys, quick. Last question for today's class. Just let me solve it, then I'll go back. Wrong. First, it is showing you, just check it out, Vishnu. A is greater than P and P is less than R. So obviously A will be greater than R. A is greater than P and P is less than R. Okay, that means R is greater than P. So obviously A will be greater than R. Okay, you can go by that logic. Clear? A is greater than P and P is less than R. because the midpoint, the one which is being there is P. So we are talking with respect to P. So obviously A will be greater than R. You can go by that logic. Okay. Now second one. First is true. Now M is less than R. Can we say that? So let me tell you, P is greater than M and P is less than R. P is less than R. But if I talk it about R and M, there's no definite relationship which can come into picture. No definite relationship. Why? Because P is less than R and M is also less than R. But what can be, दोनों छोटे हैं, but कौन किससे ज्यादा वो कैसे बता दूं मैं? ठीक है, यहाँ पर अगर आप जो कंक्लूजन बोल रहे हो M is less than R, so check it out. P is less than R and P is greater than M. So how can I say the logic? P M से बड़ा है, P R से छोटा है. But how can I say? P M से बड़ा है और P R से छोटा है. तो आप क्या बोल सकते हो? बोल सकते हो कि नहीं बोल सकते हो? Tell me, can you say or you cannot? Confuse कर रही हूँ, I'm confusing you guys. Check it out. Similar concept is followed. First. इसमें confusion होगा. Check it out. First वाले में what you saw that A is greater than P and P is less than R. A बड़ा है P से और P क्या है? R से छोटा है. P R से छोटा है. यही लॉजिक बना था. A is greater than P and P is less than R. So obviously A जो है वो R से बड़ा हो गया था. यही लॉजिक लगा लिया था आपने. Now second logic, if you go by here, what you can see is that P is greater than M. एक लॉजिक बन रहा है and P is less than R. P बड़ा है M से और P R से छोटा है. तो from here what you can see, R is greater than M or you can say M is less than R. दोनों ही सही है. So this conclusion also for 2 is also true. 1 and true means both 1 and 2 are true. D option correct हो जाएगा. Correct. बट मुझे एक डाउट इसमें ये लग रहा है. एक सेकेंड. A is greater than P, ठीक है, and P is less than R. इसमें इसको थोड़ा और डेफिनेट. A P से बड़ा है, ठीक है, और P जो है वो R से छोटा है. पर यहाँ पर आप अगर एक चीज नोटिस करो, ये क्लियरली कैसे मैं डिफाइन कर दूं? अगर देखो, A P से बड़ा है, A is greater than P and P is less than R. That means R is also greater than P. But A R से बड़ा होगा, आप ये कैसे बोल सकते हो? P is less than R. That means ये भी तो यही बोल रहा है ना, R is greater than P. But यहाँ पे दोनों ही greater है. You cannot define a definite relationship. जो विष्णु बोल रहे थे उस हिसाब से अगर मैं लॉजिक जाऊं, so definitely check it out. A is greater than P. A P से बड़ा है. R is also greater than P. बट A और R के बीच में तो कोई रिलेशनशिप ऐसी बन ही नहीं रही ना. हो सकता है R is greater than A और it can be that A can be greater than R. Anything can be possible. तो परफेक्ट कंक्लूजन आप नहीं बोल सकते. इफ वन वुड हैव बीन लेस देन एंड अदर वुड हैव बीन मोर देन, जैसे ये वाले में देखो, P was greater than M, P was less than R. तो इसमें आप परफेक्टली बता सकते हो कि हाँ M छोटा है R से. बट इस वाले में दोनों ही बड़े निकल रहे हैं P से. A is also greater than P and R is also greater than P. So we can say that A is greater than R, but definite होकर नहीं बता सकते. डेफिनेट होकर नहीं बता सकते. या तो फिर अगर इस लॉजिक से मैं जाऊं, A is greater than Z and Z यहाँ पे greater than equal to P, पर यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया P is less than R. तो भी A Z से ज्यादा, Z P से ज्यादा. हाँ, इस लॉजिक से बता रहे हैं P R से ज्यादा. इस लॉजिक से जाएगा. इस लॉजिक से बोल सकते हैं. तो उस हिसाब से हमारा ओनली, हाँ, अगर बिल्कुल बोलोगे देन ऑब्वियसली वी कैन से. हाँ, बट इफ यू गो बाय दिस लॉजिक, इसको देखो ना, A Z से ज्यादा, इस लॉजिक से जाते हैं. लेट्स गो बाय दिस लॉजिक. पूरा चीजें समझना पड़ेगा ना. A is Z से ज्यादा, Z P से ज्यादा एंड P is less than R. अब ये R से कम, पर ये R Z से ज्यादा है या Z से A से ज्यादा है, आप नहीं बोल सकते. डेफिनेट नहीं बोल सकते. सिर्फ 2 ही को ट्रू लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो ना. कंपेयर कैसे करोगे? यू कैन नॉट डू इट. No connection. वो definite relationship. A is greater than P, R is greater than P, but A is greater than R और R is greater than A, ये आप definite बोल ही नहीं पा रहे हो भी सकता है, may be true, may not be true, तो आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो. सेकेंड वाला तो आप 100% बोल पा रहे हो, क्योंकि एक बड़ा एक छोटा है, तो आप बोल लोगे कंपैरिजन के लिए. बट यहाँ पे जब दोनों बड़े हैं या दोनों छोटे हैं, फिर आप कैसे बोलोगे? तो दैट इज द विन. तो फिर यहाँ पे ए ही 2 निकल के आएगा. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. ठीक है, क्लियर एवरीवन? क्लियर? क्लियर हो गया? चलो. So now with this we have completed. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला आपने? R can be small than M. कौन से वाले का सेकंड कंक्लूजन बोल रहे हो विष्णु? इसमें तो हमने निकाला ना. सेकंड कंक्लूजन कैसे इनकरेक्ट बता दिया? एक मिनट. P M से बड़ा है और P R से छोटा है. P M से बड़ा मीन्स P M और P R से छोटा है. P is less than R. ठीक है, तो P M से बड़ा है और P R से छोटा है, मतलब R बड़ा है P से, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है R बड़ा है M से. R बड़ा M से या M छोटा R से, ये तो सही है. सेकेंड कंक्लूजन फॉलो करेगा, आप चेक करो. P बड़ा M से, P ऊपर M नीचे. ठीक है, एक चीज. और P छोटा है R से, मीन्स R तो P से बड़ा हुआ, तो आप यहां से देखो चाहे कुछ भी कर लो, R तो बड़ा ही आएगा ना M से, क्योंकि जो बेसिक है दैट इज P. वन इज P, M is less than P and P is M is less than P. ओके, एंड R is greater than P. तो बट ऑब्वियस है ना, R तो M से बड़ा ही आएगा, ये उल्टा बोलो, M R से छोटा ही आएगा. तो सेकेंड कंक्लूजन तो पूरा फॉलो हो रहा है, फर्स्ट नहीं फॉलो हो रहा है. वो हो भी सकता है, मे बी देयर और मे नॉट बी देयर. ओके, परफेक्ट डी कहाँ से? फर्स्ट, मुझे तो सेकेंड ही परफेक्ट लग रहा है, फर्स्ट नहीं बोल सकते विष्णु. डी हो सकता है, बट फर्स्ट में एम्बिग्विटी है कि ए आर से बड़ा हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता. हम कॉन्फिडेंट होके वी आर नॉट एबल टू से, बिकॉज जो P है वो R से भी छोटा है और P जो है वो A से भी छोटा है, पर A और R के बीच में कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं निकल रहा है. देयर इज नो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन A एंड R. कुछ रिलेशनशिप नहीं निकल रहा है, कुछ इक्वल टू लेस देन किसी का कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं निकल रहा है, इसीलिए हम डेफिनेट होके नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, चलो. So with this we have completed the questions of inequalities and अब हम लोग मिलते हैं कल. Guys, I want to ask you one thing. इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार ये और अगर डाउट होगा तो बताना. I'll take it in the next class. I wanted to ask that I'm planning that next week we should start quantitative aptitude. So कैसे करें? Means mixture questions ले, like percentage, profit and loss, syllogism, सबका mixture ले, और we should go topic wise. What you guys say? टॉपिक वाइज करे कि मिक्सचर ले? मींस इफ यू वांट लाइक नंबर सिस्टम एक दिन कर लिया, बॉड मास एक दिन कर लिया, एक दिन परसेंटेज कर लिया, एक दिन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, वन डे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. सो व्हाट यू वांट, लाइक वी शुड डू टॉपिक वाइज और जस्ट अ प्रैक्टिस सेशन इन विच कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग शुड बी देयर? जल्दी बताओ, फीडबैक ले रही हो, अभी मैंने भरा नहीं है. हाँ हाँ, वही बता रही हूँ. मिक्स्ड करना है कि टॉपिक वाइज? In that this week I'll provide you all at a single stretch. मैं आपको सैटरडे को तीनों क्लास ओवर हो जाएगी ना, मींस TTS वाली, then I'll provide you at a single stretch all the three. आज की, कल की, सबकी मैं आपको जो तीनों टेक्निकल है उसकी प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी. टॉपिक वाइज मैम, इट विल बी बेटर. टॉपिक वाइज करवा लूं? ठीक है, अभी मैं अपना वो दे देती हूँ आपको. ठीक है, तो टॉपिक वाइज करते हैं. रुको, मुझे पहले टेलीग्राम ग्रुप देना अगर नहीं ज्वाइन किया है तो, एंड आई विल शेयर ऑल माय PDF with answers. This will be available on my Telegram group. Obed, I'll share my Telegram group with you on Saturday. जब ये तीनों classes, all the three classes of reasoning will be over. I'll share the PDF at once. Okay? एक एक करके नहीं, मैं तीनों का एक साथ डाल दूंगी. And topic wise you are telling mix तो mock में देना है. Topic wise everybody said. तो next week से we will start. अभी तो इस बार हमने तीन चार topics like 5 questions of arithmetic, 5 mirror images. Reasoning में we will take a mixture. Because if I do 20 questions of mirror images, you will get bored. हाँ, quantitative aptitude it is there. So एक topic ना करके दो topic कर ली. Okay. So 12 questions of one topic, 12 questions of other topics, ऐसे 24-25 questions, so that monotonous भी ना लगे. या if I'll take one topic, I'll take different varieties of questions. Okay, वैसा कर लेंगे. So let's meet tomorrow, guys. Be present. तुम लोग reasoning में आते हो, technical में नहीं आते हो. Technical will be helpful if you're preparing for HPCL and all also. Tomorrow, raw water engineering का treatment of water and distribution of conveyance system. I'll be doing 40 questions, 40 minutes. Be present tomorrow also at 10 a.m. Okay. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye and study hard. Thank you, everyone.